February 28, 2013, at 8 p.m., the See of Rome, the See of St. Peter, was vacated when Pope Benedict XVI renounced his ministry and walked away from the seat of power and influence, so it seemed. The College of Cardinals have already been hastily summoned to a conclave and will be locked in the Sistine Chapel until they select whom they call the Supreme Pontiff, the Vicar of Christ, Pontifex Maximus, the Bishop of Rome, Papa, the Pope. While billions of people around the world will wait in anticipation to see the white smoke arise from above the papal palace window, and to be introduced to a man they will call the Holy Father, who will be, according to some past and present prognosticators, the last Pope. While the former Pope, Benedict XVI, will move into his newly renovated residence within the walls of the Vatican to oversee the work of his hand-picked successor who has been groomed for such a time as this. Over the last 4 years, Benedict placed his disciple on the fast track to be a sacred power broker by appointing him to the most important and influential positions that a cardinal can hold. He appointed him to the Pontifical Council for Culture, the newly created Pontifical Council for the Promotion of the New Evangelization, One World Religion, to the Council of Cardinals for the study of the organizational and economic problems of the Holy See, to the Congregation for the Oriental Churches, and to the prominent and powerful Congregation for the Doctrine of the Faith. And on September 21st, 2011, Pope Benedict XVI placed the pallium of Metropolitan Archbishop of Milan upon his disciple at Castel Gandolfo. Who is this man who has already been chosen before the College of Cardinals even made their reservations to travel to the conclave in Rome? Cardinal Angelo Scola from Milan, Italy. That's who. Will the Cardinals be men of sincere prayer and discernment, or will they simply play their role in the unfolding drama orchestrated by the man behind the walls of the Vatican? Only time will tell.